Ever wish you can just hit a magic button and all of those time-consuming tasks on your to-do list would just disappear? Well, I've got something even better. With AI and Zapier, you can automate those repetitive daily tasks so you can focus on the things that actually matter. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add AI to your Zapier workflow in 3 simple steps. Whether you're automating emails, managing projects, or generating content, I'll guide you through making it all happen, no magic, just smart automation. Step 1, connect your trigger app. This is where it all begins. Think of the trigger as the on switch for your workflow. Whether it's a new email in Gmail, a message in Slack, or a new row in Google Sheets, this trigger sets everything in motion. The goal here is to capture the information your AI needs to work with. For example, let's say you get an email that needs a response. Instead of manually drafting it, you set up a Zap where Gmail is your trigger app. Every time you receive an email, Zapier sends that information to your AI tool, and just like that, a draft is created, ready for your review. No more manual work. Now that your trigger has captured the data, it's time for your AI to get to work. In this step, you'll send the information to your AI tool with clear instructions on what you want it to do. For example, if you're working with a new row in Google Sheets containing a blog outline, your prompt could be as simple as, turn this outline into a draft with a casual tone. Or if you're summarizing a meeting, you could say, summarize this meeting in 3 bullet points and highlight key decisions. The key is to keep your instructions focused and clear so your AI delivers exactly what you need. Finally, it's time to decide where your AI's work goes. This is where you send the results to their final destination, whether that's a Slack channel, a Google Doc, or even a CRM. Without this step, your AI's hard work would be like a letter addressed with no address, completely lost. So for example, if OpenAI creates a summary from a Dropbox meeting transcript, you can have it automatically sent to Slack for your team to review. And just like that, your workflow is complete and running smoothly. Ready to give it a try? Hit the link in the description and start automating today. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button icon for more tips on simplifying your day. See you next time.